What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video, I'll be performing a live cross-exchange arbitrage between my Mexc and my Gate.io crypto exchange, okay? And I'm going to be explaining some other things on how you can also perform a cross-exchange arbitrage yourself, okay? So I don't want to waste much time and I want to quickly dive into this process, all right? So right now I'm going to be buying the TRC token right here on my Mexc at this current market price, okay? So this is the current price at the time of making this video, and I'm going to be using about 70 USDT to purchase this right now. Okay, so I'll click on the buy TRC and then we're going to buy this token right away. So I've successfully submitted my order, so let's wait for it to execute. And here we go, we've successfully bought about 12,808 TRC tokens. Okay, so right now I'm going to be sending this to my Gate crypto exchange. So I'll click on the withdraw button right here. Then I'll select the TRC token and then we'll select the on-chain withdrawal. And right here, we'll be withdrawing through the base network. Okay, so we'll be charged about 0.21 USDT worth of TRC. All right, so right now, I'll head over to my Gate crypto exchange and I'm going to actually copy my TRC wallet address from Gate. Okay, so I'm just going to search for TRC right here. Right, so we have it here and I'm going to copy the wallet address. You can see it's using the base network also. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to select the network, which is the base, and I want to send everything to my Gate crypto exchange. Okay, so this is what I should be expecting there. So I'm going to click on the confirm button and complete my verification. All right, and here we go, it is currently processing. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a while to complete. And right here it says completed. Okay, so I'm going to come over to my Gate crypto exchange right now and I'm going to wait for this to arrive. So this should be processing very soon. Okay, and here we go, we have it successfully deposited into our Gate crypto exchange, and this is it right here. You can see we have 12,768 TRC token, and you can see we are already in a little profit right here. Okay, so right now I want to sell everything at the current market price. Okay, so if I'm going to be selling this right now, making about 0.5 USDT profit on it, so I'm just going to click on sell TRC. I'll confirm this, so just wait for this to execute. And here we go, guys, we've successfully sold our TRC token, and if I check my trade history, you can see it right here. We made about 0.7 USDT profit on this. Okay, and I know you're guessing this profit is actually low, but what makes an arbitrage opportunity very profitable is the number of times or the number of profit margin you can actually take on it. Okay, and if I'm doing this with a capital of 70 USDT and I made 0.5 USDT in one trade, basically means that I could do this more times. Okay, because if you look at it, there's still this profit margin between these two exchange on this particular token at this current time of making this video. Okay, so I didn't be I was going to do this with, let's say, 100 USDT or let's say 1,000 USDT. So this is the amount we'll be getting here, and if I'm going to be selling it right here, you can basically see that I could actually make about 8 USDT profit in one trade doing this with a much more higher capital. Okay, but because a lot of people have asked me how much you need to actually perform a very good arbitrage, I always say from 50 USDT upward, you'll be able to make a consistent amount of profit performing arbitrage. Okay, so guys, with that said, let's talk about how you can actually perform this arbitrage yourself. Okay, now the first step to performing any crypto or cross exchange arbitrage is actually spotting that arbitrage opportunity. Okay, and if I come right here, you can see I'm currently using the arbitrage scanner. Okay, so the arbitrage scanner was what I used to actually spot this particular arbitrage opportunity, and you can basically see it right here. Okay, so this is the signal I used, which says I could actually buy on Mexc and sell on Gate, and this was the estimated profit by the arbitrage scanner, but I actually made more profit when I performed it live. Okay, now one thing I love about the arbitrage scanner is that it actually tells you where to buy and sell, and also estimates the profit you're going to be making if you are to perform it, and it also shows you the network you use for withdrawal and the network you use for deposit. Okay, now this way you already have all the information you need about that particular token to actually perform that arbitrage. Okay, so I've been using the arbitrage scanner for over 2 months now, and this is an amazing software. It gives you real-time data on arbitrage opportunities, and it has a lot of other tools that we're going to be talking about in this video. Okay, so let's talk about how you can basically use the arbitrage scanner. So I'll be dropping the link in the description section of this video. All right, Now, once you click on the link, you just need to sign up by putting your email address, your phone number. You can put in your Telegram username or your WhatsApp number, and then you create a password and you just tick all these box and click on the sign up button. Okay. So once you create your account, you'll be getting a free trial for a day. Okay. So this means on signing up, you can actually use all the tools right here for free for a day. All right. And I'm currently on the platinum subscription. Okay. And one thing about this is that once you actually make your first subscription, you're going to be getting a 50% discount on your next subscription. Okay. And if you actually use my promo code interest on your first subscription, you're going to get an additional 1 month added to your subscriptions right here on Arbitrage Scanner. Okay. So if I click right here, you can find the subscription right here. Okay. So you can actually check it out, select your plan, and actually subscribe right here. Okay. So if you want to be making money consistently performing arbitrage on a daily basis, the Arbitrage Scanner is one amazing tool you should get. Okay. So if I click right here, let's check out the tools right here. Okay. So if you click on the drop down on arbitrage products right here, you can find all the tools here. We have the arbitrage screener, we have the arbitrage perpetual. Now these are arbitrage opportunities across perpetual markets, okay, where you're actually long on one market and short on the other. Okay. Then we also have the arbitrage scanner here. This is where you can link to your Telegram account. Okay. We have the deck screener where you can actually get arbitrage opportunities across decentralized crypto exchange. And we also have the funding rates right here. Okay. So in the next coming week, or I think next week, I'm going to make a video about funding rates because it is an amazing strategy you can actually use to make money right here. And with the arbitrage scanners, you can actually get good funding rate signals that you can use to make money. Okay. So make sure you subscribe and on the notification bell so that whenever I make that video on funding rates, you're going to be the first to see it. Okay. So the basic one I'm actually using is actually the arbitrage screener right here. Okay. So if you click on arbitrage screener here, it will bring you right here to the sports screener. So right here, there are a lot of filter options right here. Okay. But if you don't want to filter anything, you can use a template. All right. So if you click on a template right here, there are about 3 available templates for you to use. So the ones I basically use is these two, which is the top 300 coins and the fastest networks. Okay. Those are the basic ones I used. And if you can also check out the biggest liquidity, but there are not a lot of arbitrage opportunities right here in biggest liquidity. But in these two, there are a lot of profitable arbitrage opportunities readily for you to perform. Okay, so let's click on the top 300 coins right here. So this gives you arbitrage opportunities across top 300 coins in coin market cap. Okay, and this particular tokens tends to have high trading volumes and good liquidity. And if you find arbitrage opportunities across them, they are going to be very, very profitable. Okay, for example, we have the first one right here, which says there's an arbitrage opportunity in the Tribe/USDT market where you can actually buy on Mexc and you can sell on Gate and you can make an estimated profit of 4.76%. And the network you're going to be using to perform this is the Ethereum network. Okay, now you know Ethereum network has a lot of network fees, but this is actually saying that after you subtract your network fees and everything, you should make about 4.76% profit on this. Okay, so let's check out this arbitrage opportunity between the Mexc and Gate.io. Okay, so we're going to be starting with the Mexc. Okay, so right here I'll click on the drop down and I'm going to search for the Tribe token right here. Okay, so this is it here and this is the price it's currently trading right here on Mexc. All right, so let's also check out on Gate if this will be trading much more higher. So we're going to search for the Tribe token here also. Okay, so we have it here and look at this, guys. Look at this. The profit margin is actually there and it is high. Look at the price difference between these two exchange on this particular token. Okay, so once you actually check it this way and you can see a very significant profit margin in those two exchange, you actually simulate before you dive in with your real funds. Okay, so you simulate real quick. All right, so I usually like using 100 USDT to simulate this, and 100 USDT will be giving me 181.8 Tribe tokens. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this right now and I'm just going to paste it on Gate. All right, so I'll just paste it right here. So this basically means if I'm to perform this, I could make about 14 USDT profit doing this. All right, this is an arbitrage opportunity and I want to do live right now. Okay, but let's check out the network fees involved in this. All right, so to check this out, you're going to come to the exchange you're going to be buying from. You come to the wallet section, then you click on the withdraw button. Then you also search for the token right here. Okay, so we have the Tribe. We're going to select the on-chain withdrawal. And then right here, we're going to check the network we can use. Okay, so we're going to be using the Ethereum network and you can find the network fees for this, which is $11.18. Okay, so basically if we subtract that from our main profit, we'll be making about 12 USDT profit or 11.9 USDT profit on this. Okay, now the next thing you also want to check is if you can also deposit this token on the buying exchange. So if we click on deposit right here, we are going to click on on-chain deposit. We'll also search for the tribe token right here. So currently it is suspended here, and this is because Gate.io currently knows that there's actually a large arbitrage opportunity between those two exchanges. Okay, now this is why you need to simulate before you actually buy with your real funds. Okay, to check out if you can also buy and sell immediately and quickly. All right, basically we can't actually deposit this on Gate. All right, but then you can actually see that if the deposit option is not actually suspended on Gates, this will be a very profitable arbitrage opportunity to dive into. All right, so you can also check out other ones. There are a lot of other arbitrage opportunities with good profit margins that are given to you right here on the arbitrage scanner. Okay, and one thing with arbitrage is that you need to actually sign up on a lot of crypto exchange if you want to enjoy arbitrage. Okay, because you can see there are opportunities between the Mexc and XT. There's opportunity between Binance and XT right here. There's also opportunity between L Bank and BitGet. So you need to sign up and have a lot of crypto exchange accounts so that whenever you find a very good profitable opportunity, you dive into it quickly and you lock in your profit. Okay, so basically that's how you spot an arbitrage opportunity using arbitrage scanner, and that's how you actually simulate, check if it is actually going to be profitable. Then you dive into it with your real funds like I did earlier in this video. Okay, and if you're looking for more videos concerning arbitrage, I've made a lot of arbitrage videos on this channel, and I've also made a lot of live arbitrage transactions. Okay, so you can check them out on my channel, and I'll also be dropping some of them in the description section below so that you can watch to actually get a better understanding on arbitrage. Okay, so guys, you can check out the arbitrage scanner. I'll be dropping the link in the description section and also in the comment section below, because this is an amazing tool and I've actually used it to actually make a lot of arbitrage transactions, and it is a very profitable one. Okay, and I also hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.